2 out of 5 new businesses fail within their first 5 years. And while many factors contribute, a lack of strategic planning is often the culprit. Therefore, a robust business development plan, BD plan, is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. We provide a step-by-step approach to crafting a BD plan that not only keeps your business afloat, but propels it towards sustainable growth. From market analysis to revenue projections, we'll cover the essential elements to build a roadmap for success. Understanding the core of a business development plan. What is a business development plan, and why is it important? A business development plan, BD plan, is a focused document that outlines the strategies and actions a company will take to achieve its growth objectives. It's a subset of a broader business plan, which typically encompasses all aspects of a business, from its mission and vision to its financial projections and operational strategies. While a business plan provides a comprehensive overview, the BD plan zeroes in on how the company will expand its market reach, acquire new customers, and ultimately increase revenue. A well-defined BD plan is essential for any business, regardless of size or industry. For startups, it provides a roadmap for initial growth and establishing a foothold in the market. For established businesses, it helps identify new opportunities, diversify revenue streams, and maintain a competitive edge. Without a clear BD plan, businesses risk wandering aimlessly, missing out on potential growth opportunities, and struggling to stay relevant in a dynamic market. Closely related to the BD plan is the concept of a growth strategy. A growth strategy outlines the specific avenues a business will pursue to expand. This could involve market penetration, selling more of the same product to the existing market, market development, selling existing products in new markets, product development, introducing new products to existing markets, or diversification, entering new markets with new products. The chosen growth strategy will heavily influence the content and focus of the BD plan. For example, a company pursuing a market penetration strategy will have a very different BD plan than one focused on diversification. The BD plan details how the chosen growth strategy will be executed. Step-by-step guide to building a strong business development plan. Okay, let's get down to business development, that is. Building a business development plan is a process, not a one-time event, but it doesn't have to be a chore. Think of it as mapping out the route to your business's success, a plan that's both strategic and engaging. Here's your step-by-step guide to creating a BD plan that gets you where you want to go. 1. Conduct thorough market analysis. Before you hit the ground running, it's crucial to know the road ahead. What's the market landscape like? Who are the major players? What are the trends and challenges that could impact your business? Market analysis is like checking the map before you embark on a journey. It helps you understand the terrain, anticipate potential obstacles, and choose the best route to reach your destination. Think of it this way. Would you build a house without surveying the land first? Probably not. Market analysis helps you lay the foundation for your business development plan by providing critical insights into your target market, your competition, and the overall industry environment. Here are some key questions that market analysis can help you answer. Who are your target customers? What are their needs, wants, and pain points? Where do they hang out online and offline? Who are your competitors? What are their strengths and weaknesses? What are their strategies and pricing? How can you differentiate yourself from them? What are the major trends and challenges in your industry? Are there any emerging technologies or regulatory changes that could impact your business? Are there any unmet needs or gaps in the market that you could fill? By answering these questions, you can gain a deeper understanding of the market dynamics and make informed decisions about your business development strategy. This will help you avoid costly mistakes, capitalize on opportunities, and position your business for success. There are various tools and techniques you can use to conduct market analysis, including industry reports and publications. These provide valuable insights into market trends, competitive landscapes, and industry forecasts. Online research. Use search engines, social media, and industry websites to gather information about your target market, competitors, and industry trends. Surveys and questionnaires. Collect data directly from your target audience to understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. Focus groups and interviews. Conduct in-depth discussions with small groups of customers or industry experts to gain qualitative insights. Competitive analysis. Analyze your competitors' products, services, pricing, marketing strategies, and customer reviews. By utilizing a combination of these methods, you can gather a comprehensive understanding of the market and develop a business development plan that is grounded in reality and aligned with your business goals. To define your target audience, you can't be everything to everyone. Trying to be is a recipe for mediocrity. Defining your target audience is about identifying the specific group of people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Who are they? What are their demographics, age, location, income, etc.? What are their psychographics, lifestyle, interests, values, etc.? What are their pain points and aspirations? The more you know about your ideal customer, the better you can tailor your offerings and marketing messages to resonate with them. Imagine trying to sell skateboards to senior citizens or luxury cars to college students. It's not likely to be very effective. Understanding your target audience helps you focus your efforts on the right people, increasing your chances of success. Creating detailed buyer personas can be incredibly helpful in this process. A buyer persona is a semi-fictional representation of your ideal customer based on research and data about your existing and potential customers. It includes information about their demographics, psychographics, behaviors, motivations, and goals. By putting a face to your target audience, you can better understand their needs and how to reach them. 3. Develop a compelling value proposition. In a crowded marketplace, it's crucial to stand out. Your value proposition is what sets you apart from the competition. It's a clear and concise statement that explains the unique benefits you offer to your target audience and why they should choose you over everyone else. Think of it as your elevator pitch. You need to be able to communicate your value proposition quickly and persuasively. What problems do you solve for your customers? What needs do you fulfill? What makes you special? Your value proposition should be the foundation of all your marketing and sales efforts. To craft a compelling value proposition, start by identifying your unique strengths and differentiators. What do you do better than anyone else? What unique features or benefits do you offer? Then focus on how those strengths address the needs and pain points of your target audience. A strong value proposition is not just about what you offer, but about how it makes your customers' lives better. 4. Set clear goals and metrics. Every successful journey starts with a clear destination in mind. Where do you want your business to be in a year? In 5 years? Setting specific, measurable goals gives you something to aim for and helps you track your progress along the way. But don't just set any goals. Make sure they are smart, specific, clearly defined and focused, leaving no room for ambiguity. Measurable, quantifiable, allowing you to track your progress and measure your success. Achievable, realistic and attainable, preventing discouragement and promoting motivation. Relevant, aligned with your overall business objectives and strategic vision. Time-bound, with a defined time frame for achievement, creating a sense of urgency and accountability. Think of your goals as the milestones on your roadmap to success. They mark your progress and keep you motivated. And don't forget about metrics. These are the key performance indicators, KPIs, that help you measure your success. Are you on track to reach your revenue targets? Is your customer acquisition cost within budget? Metrics provide valuable insights into your performance and help you make adjustments along the way. Number 5. Create a detailed action plan. Now that you have your destination and milestones in mind, it's time to plan the route. Your action plan is where the rubber meets the road. It outlines the specific steps you'll take to achieve your goals, who's responsible for each step, and when it needs to be done. Think of it as your itinerary. It breaks down your goals into manageable tasks and provides a clear timeline for execution. Need to conduct market research? Develop a marketing campaign? Hire new salespeople? Your action plan lays it all out, step by step, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same objectives. A well-structured action plan includes specific tasks, clearly defined actions that need to be taken to achieve your goals, assigned responsibilities, who is accountable for completing each task, deadlines, when does each task need to be completed, resources, What resources are required to complete each task, e-budget, personnel, tools, status updates, a system for tracking progress and making adjustments as needed. 6. Develop realistic revenue projections. Finally, it's time to talk numbers. Revenue projections are an essential part of any business development plan. They help you estimate your future income, secure funding, and track your financial performance. Think of it as your financial forecast. How much revenue do you expect to generate in the coming months and years? What factors could impact your revenue both positively and negatively? Realistic revenue projections are crucial for making informed business decisions and ensuring your business stays on a path to sustainable growth. There are various methods for developing revenue projections, including top-down forecasting, starting with the overall market size and estimating your potential market share. Bottom-up forecasting, calculating revenue based on your sales forecasts and pricing. Historical data analysis, analyzing past revenue trends to predict future performance. Often, a combination of these methods is used to arrive at the most accurate projection. It's important to consider various factors that could impact your revenue, such as market conditions, competition, pricing strategies, and economic trends. The benefits of a well-defined business development plan. A robust business development plan is more than just a document. It's a strategic tool that can propel your business towards sustainable growth and long-term success. By providing a clear roadmap and framework for action, a well-defined BD plan offers numerous benefits. Improved decision-making. A BD plan helps you make informed decisions about your growth initiatives, ensuring that all your efforts are aligned with your overall business objectives. Efficient resource allocation. By prioritizing your activities and outlining your resource needs, a BD plan helps you allocate your budget, time, and personnel effectively. Enhance communication and collaboration. A BD plan fosters a shared understanding of your growth strategy among your team members, improving communication and collaboration. Increased accountability. By setting clear goals, assigning responsibilities, and establishing timelines, a BD plan promotes accountability and ensures that everyone is working towards the same objectives. Attracting investors and funding. A well-articulated BD plan demonstrates your commitment to growth and provides a compelling case for investors and lenders. Competitive advantage. By identifying your unique strengths and outlining your strategies for capitalizing on market opportunities, a BD plan helps you gain a competitive edge. Overall, a strong business development plan provides the foundation for sustainable growth, helping you navigate the challenges and capitalize on the opportunities that lie ahead. It's a strategic investment that can pay dividends for years to come. Ready to take charge of your business growth? Businesses without a plan are far more likely to struggle and even fail. A strong business development plan, on the other hand, provides a clear path forward and is essential for sustainable growth and success. It equips you with the insights and strategies needed to navigate the complexities of the market, overcome challenges, and capitalize on opportunities. Don't leave your business's future to chance. Invest in a comprehensive business development plan that will guide you toward achieving your goals. Ready to take your business to the next level? Contact Aspiration Marketing today for a free consultation and let us help you unlock your business's full potential.